Hey guys, this is Lee here, and I want to share with you what I saw in today's delivery in my mail, which is Sailing World's episode or volume 60, issue 590, spring 2021. As I was thumbing through the magazine, I saw on page 026 this picture right here, and that is sailmaker Kevin Farrar. It's basically a Sailing World article written by Chad Gillis, very cool, to use some of the blades made by Aero South. So we have people like Kevin Farrar, who is the sailmaker from Farrar Sails, who made the extreme sail that I hope to sail in the next several weeks. They're out in Sag Harbor out in Long Island. And also people like Ken Meisgates, who owns Aero South Technologies. He's been mentioned here, and his dagger board and the extreme rudder. And then we have a couple of other people who sail Sunfish, like Larry Suter, who's, I haven't know this about Larry, but it says here that he has actually sailed Sunfish for 7 decades. 7 decades. And also Lynn Randall, who is the Florida Peninsula region representative of the Sunfish class. Big shout out to Lynn, who I'm actually going to see in a few days, and I'm going to be able to borrow her Sunfish to sail in the midwinters down in Tampa, hosted by the Davis Island Yacht Club. Even though the racing Sunfish is a one design class and has to conform with all the class rules, this article written by Chad Gillis is actually about not one design Sunfish, and it probably reaches out to many more people who are interested in sailing Sunfish but want to have a different experience. So go ahead and get yourself a Sailing World magazine, the newest one, spring 2021, and check out this cool article written by Chad, and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. It's not often that Sunfish get a mention in a racing publication like Sailing World, and it's kind of cool to see the Sunfish in a major publication. So go check it out. You can check it out online also. So I want to thank all the subscribers out there. I just passed 325 subscribers, so I appreciate that a lot. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel, and it reaches out to more Sunfish sailors and more sailors in general, and it helps me make more videos like this. Please also smash that like button and hit the notification bell so when I come out with a new video, you'll know. I'll see you on the water.